Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the buzzer module status machine, okay? So from previous video, we already have the system block like this. So this is our system block. So the first module, we will focus on this module, buzzer module. For the buzzer module, you will see it only have one GPIO control, and the function for it is only to produce different sound according the different key value. Okay. So when we press the different key here, this will produce different sound, and this module will generate different frequency on this pin. Okay. So when the buzzer accepts the different frequency wave, then it will generate different sound. Okay. So let's take a look at the status machine for the buzzer module. For the buzzer module, the first status we always is idle state. Okay, we always is idle state. This module is very simple. So the next state is buzzer state. Okay, buzzer state. So how we go to the buzzer state from the idle state? Okay, as we say before, we have the key. We have the key to control the buzzer buzzing or not. So if the key on input signal equal to 0, if this signal equal to 0, which is here, so if this signal equal to 0, we will stay in the idle state. If the key on input signal equal to 0, we stay in the idle state. If the key on signal equal to 1, means we have some key was pressed. Okay, so we go into the buzzer state. When we in the buzzer state, we will make the buzzer buzzing. Okay, according to the different key. So when the key off signal equal to 1, means the key has been released. So we go back to idle state. To waiting for the key on signal. Okay. Waiting for the key on signal. In the buzzer state, we will make the buzzer buzzing. How we make it? We will use the clock divider. We will use one clock divider to divide the clock from the system. Okay, this clock is from the system. Divide this clock and output different waveform to the buzzer through the buzzer GPIO. Okay. So we will have one clock divider for the buzzer. When the buzzer module in this state, we will begin output the waveform. When the key on equal to 1, we will enable the count. This value is to start the clock divider. This value is to start the clock divider. And we will set the count maximum value according to different key. Okay? Setting the count maximum value to according to different key. And this value is to make the clock divider generate different frequency wave. Okay, so this value is make the clock divider generate different frequency wave. Okay, so when the key release, we disable the clock divider, make this value equal to 0. Okay, make this value equal to 0. We'll stop the clock divider. Make this value equal to 1. We will start clock divider. And setting this value, we will output different frequency from the clock divider to drive the buzzing. Okay, so this is a stator machine for the buzzer module. Next time we will do the coding for it. Okay, so this is this video. I'm Michael. See you next time.